Hi, this is Dr.Mariet Zacharias. I'm a consultant dermatologist. I practice at Aesthetica Veda, the Koramangala branch. So Botox is one of the oldest, safest and most effective ways of reducing fine lines and wrinkles. So how does Botox work? Botox helps relaxes the facial muscles, thereby helping reduce the dynamic lines. So the dynamic lines are the lines that is produced on your face on expression, and it also helps preventing static lines, that is the permanent lines and wrinkles, from setting in as well. The effect of Botox lasts for approximately around 6 to 8 months before the natural aging process sets in. Repeating your Botox is a highly individualist thing, so it varies from person to person. Generally, it is repeated almost every year.